Hey guys, I want to share something with you. Some really cheap stuff that will help you deaden the sound in a hot rod. That's a rattle bucket. Perfect for rat rods. I've used this in quite a few of my cars. Check it out. I'm not done. I got some more to do, but that's going to help keep the tinny sound down. Let me give you an example of what it sounds like. Hopefully you can hear it. So here's the body in the back. Here's the door I just did. And then here's the cowl that I did. So the stuff is called, really cool stuff, it's called Peel and Seal. Comes in a roll. It's 6 inches by 25 feet, and it works great for making things quieter. It's about, I don't know how much it is, cheaper than like Dynamat, but this stuff works great. It's great for rat rods, great for small areas, great for a budget. Dynamat's great, but I've been using this stuff in my cars the past couple years, and I've never had a problem with it. And it works great. So anyways, I'm gonna try something to keep the sound down in your hot rod or rat rod. Try Peel and Seal. It saves you a few bucks from the high-end competitors. All right, later.